तो हम बिजनेस बंद कर देगा। ये 10,000 के ऊपर इन्वेंट्री है। स्टार्टेड कस्टमाइजिंग द टैली फॉर सम टाइम, मल्टीपल टाइम कस्टमाइजेशन, बट द सेटिस्फैक्शन वाज नेवर देयर। So my name is Shrenik Jain and my company name is Trend Vision LLP. So we specialize into rentals of IT equipments. We are specialized, been having an experience of more than 30 years so far. And fortunately, we've been awarded as the best top 10 rental service provider in India for consecutive 3 years. And we are known for our good quality and variety of desktops and laptops. We specialize into graphic laptops rentals, and we have flexible rental options starting from as low as 1,500 per month. It all happened like as the company grew, our inventory grew. So जैसे inventory बढ़ता है, different category of laptops were more. The number of processor, the number of RAM, the category is graphic laptop, MacBooks, entry-level laptop, high-end laptop, AI laptops. So we had to have lot of things in picture. So that was a challenge in terms of, how do we maintain this so much of inventory? We wanted certain information at times, and we would have lot of laptops in the office, but which laptop is there in the office, we won't get the handy information. Okay. So it would take a lot of time. We lost a lot of orders also. Sometimes a client will inquire for a specific laptop, although we had those laptops in stock, but then we would say we don't have it in stock. So those information was not ready with us. Yeah. So that is the reason, when we started looking out for solution outside. Initially, we were doing our accounting with Tally for many years, maybe more than 20, 25 years. So as the business grew and as the complication grew, we started customizing the Tally for some time. We did multiple time customization, but the satisfaction was never there. Okay, वो एक ट्वीक किया, फिर और एक कुछ दूसरा प्रोग्राम ऐड किया. So we were never happy with the software. Okay, my staff was also always confused with multiple APIs in between, multiple customization. So I happened to meet Santosh. Okay, and he offered me and he gave me the confidence that he will do the needful. Okay, so this is where Santosh came into picture. And then that he deployed his team. He said, "Sir, आपको एक भी पैसा नहीं देना है." The best संतोष ने ये किया कि आपका काम पूरा हो जाएगा, पूरा मॉड्यूल रेडी हो जाएगा, उसके बाद में आप पैसा दो. So that gave us the confidence because we knew there were a lot of complications in customizing. So Santosh and his team really worked very hard, diligently. They kept taking inputs from us. They kept doing lot of changes. एक बार तो पूरा 2 महीने का पूरा मेहनत हम लोग ने वापस जीरो पर भी लाया. But उनका team was always ready and cooperative and very, very diligently they did everything to a good extent. We are happy with that. Changes ऐसा है कि I was managing Tally earlier, doing the accounting and all. Now after Santosh ka package, I no more use Tally. Okay, it is all so automized that my staff who doesn't have accounting knowledge also, she's maintaining the inventory, she's maintaining my billing. So we have more than 500 bills per month. So every bill, every month has to be repeated. So that was one of the best things that Santosh did. So all my 500 bills gets automatically duplicated for the subsequent new month, which is a lot of time saving for me. Okay. And at the same time, the inventory also gets reflected. सो आज मेरा इन्वेंट्री में से मुझे कोई भी लैपटॉप, कोई भी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, कोई भी मॉडल, कोई भी प्रोसेसर, कोई भी जनरेशन जो चाहिए एट द टिप ऑफ द टंग मिल जाता है. एक टच करते हैं हम लोग लैपटॉप में बोलते, हम लोग कहीं भी, हमारा जो सेल्स वाला स्टाफ है वो खाली फोन पर पूछते अपने पास ये वाला मॉडल कितना है, मेरा अकाउंट्स वाला डायरेक्ट उसको जवाब दे देता है. सो विच इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. ऐसा पर रेंटल मॉड्यूल है. सो आई थिंक ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर इनटू रेंटल्स should definitely try once the module which is prepared by CBDIT. Okay, and it is really very useful, efficient, और काफी easy हो जाता है. Okay, it is not at all complicated and very handy to use also. अच्छा, टेली ऑपरेटर मिल जाते हैं और ट्रेनिंग, एक दिन के ट्रेनिंग में हमारा काम शुरू हो जाता है। तो ये ब्यूटी है, अगर नया कोई सॉफ्टवेयर लेने जाओ, उनको ट्रेन करो, वो सब करो, वो जरूरत ही नहीं है। तो उन्होंने बार कोडिंग भी दे दिया, हमारा आउटस्टैंडिंग भी इमीडिएट करके दे दिया, इन्वेंट्री भी रेडी करके दे दिया। सो विच इज a very well customized model. So especially the rental business people should definitely go for this one. Nee, so especially the rental module which is made by CBDIT, it is definitely a shot that one should try. I would recommend all people who are into business of rentals definitely should try this option, which has been made with lot of effort for almost 1 year of input from actual people who have been doing rental business, and every possible angle has been integrated in this module. But another understanding the way CBDIT works, I think कोई भी मॉड्यूल लो आप, उनका हर मॉड्यूल इज परफेक्ट। आई मीन काफी वो लोग मेहनत करके उसको परफेक्शन पर लाते हैं। So I would highly recommend CBDIT to anyone who, especially with tally related customization, you should go for CBDIT hands on.